So guess what I got? Ta-da! I finally got my hands on Nekoyanin's Diamond of All Season palette, and let's swatch these babies. And I'm also going to be doing some eye looks with this. This is the sparkliest palette ever. I couldn't resist, and I did swatch like 2 shades in my hand, but I wanted to do the rest of them with you. So this palette has been inspired by Bridgerton, the show. Ever since I saw Nekoyanin do these swatches on her channel, I was just like, I need to get this. Now this is the older formula, so it did come a little crumbly, but that's okay. I fixed a little bit up. These are the shadows. So like some of you know that there was a break-in in my house last year, and those thieves were some fashionistas because they stole some of my palettes. They stole about 4 palettes that I had. I had just 1 glitter palette, and they took those. Whatever. I got an upgrade for sure. Look how sparkly these are, like even in the pan in here. These are duochrome shadows. Now she did say that she changed the formula because the original ones, which is the one I got, were softer formula, which is really nice, but they do tend to break more easily. So she reformulated it, and the new ones that you're getting are not that easily breakable. But let's get into the swatches. There are 10 shades in here. I'm gonna start swatching here very, very gently, barely touching, so you can see the actual formulation. The first shade, called Queen. It's very sparkly. Oh wow. Oh, look at that shift. It's almost glass. Oh, it has some pink. It has pink, and then it has white. Oh, this is beautiful. How stunning. This is Queen. The second shade, this one over here, of course, is called King. Gotta have a king. That's the second shade. Oh wow, these are definitely, she says that these are the sparkliest palette you'll ever see, and I starting to agree. Look at that. Done with all the swatches, I'm going to take you in the sun and swatch over there as well. The third shade is called Prince. It's this shade over here. There is no fallout. Look at that. This is Prince, and then we have Princess. Dude. I feel like this is all I'm going to be wanting to wear till I run out of them. Alright, let's swatch the other shades. I'm so excited. Okay, this green one is called Duchess. Lime green is called Duke. Not sure how you pronounce this, but this is called Marquise, and this is called Marquis. This is Duchess. Oh, this is the one that made me buy this palette. This green. How beautiful. Duke. Let me spread this out a little bit so you can clearly see. Duke. They have some nice sparkly shade, but at the same time I feel like they're very wearable because they're so finely milled. Marquis. This is like a nice gray sparkle. Wow. Marquis, and Marquis. And finally, the last 2 shades, we have this stunning purple and this champagne color. Countess and Count. Oh, this one is so soft to the touch. Countess. Stunning. Oh boy. These are absolutely delicious shades. Look at that. Do you know of a palette that is sparklier than this? These are the 10 shades. The packaging is so cute. Very different. Quite unique. Before we get into the eye looks, here are some swatches. Shades without the flash. And here they are with the flash. It is raining, but here you can see the shades outside. These look definitely more stunning swatched than they do in the pan, but they look so beautiful in the pan. So I want to do an eye look with this. I'm very confused what shade to use. We've seen green a lot. I've seen other people use green, so I'm gonna try a different look. Let's see. What do I want to do? I'm gonna try on this eye with just my fingers. I used falsies today for the first time, like before I started the video, because this palette deserves falsies. I think I'm gonna try a look with the white one, which is Queen. It's gonna like barely touch it. My finger. These are like really nice one and done looks too. Oh wow. Oh, that looks so beautiful. Look at that. I don't need to do anything else. Just this much is enough for me to get that really pretty, sparkly yet wearable look. Look at that. Let me try to be a little more creative with this and try to use some more shades. I will be doing a bunch of shorts, swatching each separately on each short. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel to see that. I would love for you to see that. All right, I'm gonna use this little brush and get in here, get in the lime green, which is called Duke. Definitely very crumbly, very, very soft. So I'm glad that she has reformulated it. And oh, just gonna like get in the corner. These are so finely milled, so I'm not worried about it getting in my eye. Look at that. All right, I'm going to go in with this shade. This one, it's just called Marquise, I believe. Yes, Marquise. Just barely touch it with my brush. And I'm gonna try to get in there. Oh, did I get the color on my face? Oopsie. Need to wipe my face. I just got a swatch in here. I think I'm gonna leave this eye over here. I'm gonna try to do the other eye with different shade. Okay, for this other eye, I'm using my Chamber palette. I did a review on this recently, and I'm going in with this really dark shade because I want to see how we can combine mattes with this formula. And I'm just gonna go like all over. Another great thing about this palette is that it is foolproof. Like all you need to do is grab some color in your hand and just use it. Like you can see, I got a really nice look over here, but I'm gonna go in with a flat shader brush with this purple and see what we can come up with. And I'm just gonna like patting motion all over the lid with this purple. Oh, that looks really beautiful with the brown underneath. You can definitely get different looks out of it if you use like a white base or a black base, or like I did the brown base. Look at that, that looks really pretty. And you can bring a little bit down over here. This shade over here, this one, the champagne shade that's called Count. And oh yeah, like that. That looks like shattered glass. Like, look how sparkly this is. That looks really pretty. But I also feel like it's definitely not everyone's cup of tea. Like, if you're not into these bright, shiny, sparkly shadows, then definitely stay away from this. Someone's at the door. There's a storm outside. Of course, I sit to film a video after 2-3 weeks and there is a storm. But anyway, so this is what we have. I just kind of wanted to swatch them on the eyes for you guys. This is a little messy, obviously, but I really like how this eye turned out. This looks really nice too, but I feel like I overdid with the inner corners. Wow, the storm is crazy. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we have. Now, if you want to see how all of these swatch on the eyes, do subscribe to my channel. I need to press these harder because this formula is like crazy. Okay, the light's back. Set to like really press these hard and they should be fine. That's what I'm doing. The purple one is like the worst affected. Anyway, I am going to put this back before I lose any pigment. Absolutely, wow. This is absolutely stunning. Wow. It has blue and purple. Turn it like this, blue, purple. Wow. Magic. I don't even want to wash my hands right now, guys. I know I'm a little annoying right now with the wows, but I am overwhelmed with the beauty of this palette. Great job, Nekoyanin. I love this. And if you guys want to see individual eye swatches, I will be keeping my hand like this today all day. So if you want to see individual eye swatches on my shorts, then do subscribe and let me know if you've tried any product from Nekoyanin or any other indie brand. I would love to hear, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.